What's going on, guys? Welcome back. And last video we left off that we were gonna go ahead and change the tail lights off the 1988 CRX, and we're gonna be replacing them with the 1991 tail lights. I'm gonna show you how to remove the tail lights from the CRX, and we're gonna go ahead and replace them with the 91 Garnish, center Garnish. As you see, it's a little different, more modern, and we're gonna be putting the outer tail lights as well. So notice the difference. These have a black type trimming around the tail lights, while these are just solid. So let's go ahead and install these and get to it. Show you guys what it looks like in here. So I went ahead and put the stick there to avoid the hatch falling on us. I'm gonna be taking off these panels real quick. Also the side panels here. This side. We're gonna be taking off the screws right here. These are 8mm bolts all around. And let's go ahead and take off the garnish, the center garnish first. And then we'll take out the outer tail lights. Alright, so I went ahead and removed the old center garnish, and we're gonna go ahead and put the new one in there. But before we do that, let's go ahead and remove the outer tail lights. And just to show you guys, this is the factory plug here, so you don't have to worry about modifying it. This is the other one right here. I had to remove the plastic piece here in order to get this bolt right here. Find it right here. There's a bolt. I had to remove that bolt in order to get to it. This thing is nasty. You can tell this hasn't been removed since the car was brand new. Look at the insides. Right. Let's go ahead and install the inner tail lights. But before we do that, the new tail lights didn't come with the harness on it, on one of them. So I'm gonna have to remove the harness from the old tail lights and put it on these and put them on. So I went ahead and removed the harness that we need from the old tail light, and we're going to be putting it on the new one. Here we have the harness. Just like that. Go ahead and install the new tail light now. harness is already in there. All the bulbs worked. I tested them before I removed the tail light. Replace the harness on this side as well. Whoever had these tail lights, they cut the harness, so we don't want that. This harness is no good. So the new tail lights are in, and they look awesome. Better than the old ones for sure. Let's go ahead and install the center garnish now. I'm gonna be putting a decal here that says CRX VTech. Saw it online for about $8, so I'm gonna buy that and wet sand the center garnish and the tail lights and clean them up a little bit, buff them up. The only problem I saw here is that it has like little minor cracks here on the tail light, but that's nothing to worry about. There's no leakage, no condensation on the center garnish, so we're just gonna install it the way it is. And yeah, let's go ahead and install the center garnish now. Well, just noticed that the harness for the reverse lights are different from the 88 model, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap those out and put them on here as well. Alright guys, well, the tail light's already installed, and she's coming along. Can't wait to get her on the road again. In the next video, we're going to be tackling the interior. We're also going to be working on painting the center console, the AC vents, and possibly buying a new exhaust for the car. I wish I could find an SIR exhaust just because it has the B16, and I kind of want to stick with the stock OEM look, and I don't want it to sound so raspy and, you know, kind of like a fart can, if I want to say that. So thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and you like this video, and we're definitely going to be posting more on the CRX, and I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you. Peace.